Peace, love, and light. So welcome, new subbies, returning subbies. Welcome to She Diti's channel. And today, I just did some dancing to some old Run DMC and some salt and pepper. So I'm like, yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling it, and I am vibrating on a higher level, right? Hopefully this shit is contagious. Let me pass some of this to you. Let me pass some of this vibrating, pulsating, lively, thriving energy to you guys. So today we will be doing lock talk, and we're doing lock talk because I don't have a particular topic. I totally forgot that I had a video to post because I'm posting every Monday now, and it completely slips my mind. So I'm just like, oh crap, what the hell am I gonna talk about? So I'm gonna come on here and I'm gonna wing it. I'm gonna wing it. I think I'm good at improvisation, so I may be able to just, dive into something just off the top of my head. So let's get started. On this episode, I should do episodes. Let's do on this episode of Loc Talk, Loc Chats. Well, let's start off with discussing my my hair. I've been locked for almost 6 years. Sorry, I had a whole lapse in memory just now. September will make 6 years that I have been locked. Semi-free forming for, I believe, 3 of those 6 years. This is my main, this is my babies. Believe it or not, right? As beautiful as my locks are, I still have an urge to cut them. Yes, I know. It makes no sense. It makes no sense at all. And I get it. I really get it. One of my subscribers commented and was like, everyone that I've, used to follow or that they used to follow has either cut their locks or no longer have locks. And I'm like, I understand why. Bear with me. Hear me out, bear with me. I want to cut my locks with the intention of restarting them because I would like to experience the real, full, freeform journey. I think I got this shit now. I think I can do this. I think I can. The semi-freeform journey has taught me a lot, and I'm like, I think I can fully freeform. So, yeah, I think about it every other day. Every other day I give it some thought. I'm like, I should just start over. And then I meet someone and they're like, oh my God, your locks are so beautiful. I can't wait to get to your level. And I'm like, thanks. If you only know what was going through my mind like 2 minutes ago. But the urge to cut has nothing to do with like you not loving your locks or not wanting locks, And I've seen people who have said like this is their 4th set, their 3rd set, or their 2nd set of locks. They were initially unhappy or not as satisfied with that current lock journey, so they cut it, start over, redo, yada yada yada. And I completely and totally get it now. Like, my locks, I have nothing to complain about. There's nothing that I don't like about them, which is exactly why I haven't cut them and started over yet. I don't have a good excuse. I don't have a good reason. And I don't want to just do it just to say, oh, look, I'm free-forming now. I'm just going to, lose my length. And probably some of you guys, because if I cut my locks, I'm sure some of you will unsubscribe right away. So there's a lot to think about. But like I said, I don't have a legitimate reason to cut my locks and start over, so therefore I won't. I will wait until I have a legitimate reason. Like I said, in some previous videos, like if I went through like this life changing experience Like if I end up going to Tibet and the monks want to take me in and tell me I need to shave my head to learn everything I need to learn about their monk ways, hell yeah, I'm gonna cut that shit, and then when I come back, then I'm going to freeform. That's like a legitimate good reason. Any other reason, I can't see myself cutting my locks as much as I want to. And guys, trust me, I do think about it. I think about it often. So if you're out there and you're thinking about cutting your locks, you are not the only one. And people will think you're crazy because, oh my God, your locks are beautiful. You've come so far. Why would you even do that? Because I just want to. Like, you don't need a legitimate reason to cut your locks. I want a legitimate reason, but anyone of you, if you feel like starting over, do that. Just do it. If you feel like starting over, you feel like this chapter is, you know, it's nice, you've been through it, you want to experience. And a lot of people, when they cut their locks, it's because they're changing from either a particular type. It could be from regular locks to 60 locks. I notice a lot of people do that. Most people don't start off with sister locks. A lot of people convert from regular locks to sister locks, or you convert from regular locks to like freeform locks. There's always like from regular locks to something more than it's just starting out with a particular type. So if you find a niche or a particular lock type that you love and want to invest in, then do it. I'm giving you approval. I am giving you approval to cut your locks and start over. Yeah, it's gonna hurt. Just keep those. Keep the locks though. Keep the locks. It's not a good idea to throw away hair for, well, me, I have spiritual reasons why I don't believe in throwing away hair, your own hair. I keep it, and if you don't want to keep it, burn that shit. Burn it. Like, anyway, that's for another topic, like, or throw it into some like running water, like a river or a lake. But that's like old wives' tales, superstition type stuff. I don't want to bog you down with that, but yeah, I guess that's what this video is going to be about, the urge to cut my locks and start over. And I know, like I said, you guys will just be like, no, don't do it. I'm not going to do it right now. Unless, like I said, the monks come and offer me internship at the temple, and I have like the little airbender triangles in my head, tattooed on my head, and hell flipping yeah. But one thing, like, when you see someone change their type of locks or how they were with their hair or anything like that, a lot of time it's not that the hair is unhealthy or unsatisfactory. It's just us. We're changing human beings. We change all the time. Changing our minds, changing our moods, our energies shift. A lot of things just happen to us. And especially as women, the first thing we go to is the hair. We transform the body after the hair. But the first thing, that new attitude, new do. New nails, new clothes, new body. So I don't do the nails. I wear the same clothes all the time. I'm not like a fashionista, so for me it would be hair, crystals. That's about it. I'm gonna get some new crystal jewelry and like yes. But I say all that to say, like, if you're at a point where you want some change, then do it. Just do it. Do the damn thing. I think I'm gonna, is that a trademark? Does anyone else have that slogan? I think I'm gonna make that my thing. Do the damn thing. Because it's all about what makes you happy, what satisfies your soul. And, you know, forget what other people think. Like, forget it. People are like, oh, your hair was down. I knew women who had locks down past their butt, and they cut that. I've seen some bobs done, and I'm like, oh, I think I want a bob. Yes, I think I want a bob. And on that note, I will be making this little announcement that I will be doing spirit talks. I will be posting spiritual talks motivation, guidance for you guys on my channel. Let's be honest, like there's so much more to life than just locks, you know. And a lot of times when I do start talking, guys, I end up babbling about so many other things because there's a lot going on, you know, not just locks. So I'm just gonna talk, and hopefully it resonates with anyone. I'm still going to be posting lock videos though, so I think I will be posting lock videos on Mondays and spirit talks on Fridays. I think that's like a good little, you know, yeah. But hopefully you guys enjoy the spirit talk. And even though I'm spiritual, it's not like it's things that's heavy into spirit. It's not about religion, it's not about anything like that. It's just being human. I'm talking about being human, things that we go through as humans, the struggles that we face as humans, especially spiritual people, or not even just spiritual people, but people who are more in tune with everything and everyone. You know, you have some people out there who are not that in tune, and then you have people who are totally in tune, like me, who can feel everything. You can feel when someone's energy is off. You can feel when there's disruption in the system. Anyway, like, yeah, we will be talking about that in depth. So like I say, I will still be posting every Monday my lock videos, and every Friday I will be posting my spirit talk. So hopefully you guys love the spirit talk. That way, you know, I won't just be your lock person. I will be your chat buddy as well, you know. Like, she has locks. I love her locks. She talks about locks, but she also gets me and she gets life. So that's something that I will be newly introducing into my channel the upcoming week, I guess. Since I'm posting this video Monday, Friday I will do my spirit talk video. Right, guys, thank you for tuning in. We didn't really talk about anything like that, but thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, ring that bell so you get the notification when I post a video. Alright guys, love you, peace, bye bye.